लायंस इंटरनेशनल डिस्ट्रिक्ट 323182 के सम्मान समारोह में आइए देखते हैं डिस्ट्रिक्ट
Rishi, on
गवर्नर
a very,
राजेश
very
बल्लभ
important
ने क्या
occasion, it's the past district governor's honoring of 323182, and we have with us the man of the moment, respected Governor Sir Rajesh Ballamar ji and the First Lady Nita ji. First of all, congratulations. This setup looks fantastic. And what can the Lions of 323182 and the past governors expect today?
This is an amazing event for our district 323182, and as the district governor and the first lady, we look forward to honoring our respected past district governors who have toiled very hard in their years as the leader of the district, and they have been the inspiration for the incoming leaders like us. So eventually we took up the challenge of becoming a leader of the district, and their sacrifices at the personal level, professional level, the family level, and their leadership that mesmerized the grassroots and the Lions. And for this district, whatever growth has happened, whatever name the Lions have created in the community, everything is because of them. And that's where we are here to salute them, we are here to respect them, we are here to honor them.
Our respected past district governor as well as past council chairman Hanuman ji, one of the most tall leaders of 323182. Sir, past district governors, what role do you think they can play to be able to at least revive or increase membership, if I may say?
First of all, Rishi, I would like to say that today's function, honoring of past district governor is itself on the part of the governor. When we honor our seniors, that always helps. And seniors can guide in respect of many things to the existing administration. For example, as you are saying, our mission 1.5 million. Membership can be increased only, I tell you, with the help of our seniors. If they promote in each and every meeting, in each and every club, then definitely people will listen to that. So my way of working is that suppose you want to extend a new club, you identify a leader first and ask that leader to bring 20 members along with him and form a new club. That is more easy. And if a existing member is deputed by a club, then I can tell you the club will also flourish, because experience will also come along with the leadership.
So you're talking about holding hands and mentoring. That is the way forward.
That is important. So membership बढ़ाना बहुत हमारे लिए ज़रूरी है. Membership होगी तो activities भी होगी definitely, इसमें कोई doubt ही नहीं है जो है. और सब तरह से flourish होंगे, अच्छे प्रोग्राम जाएंगे और हर तरह से डिस्ट्रिक्ट में वाइब्रेंसी आएगी, ये मेरा मानना है. So what you are doing.
Thank you so much. We're just promoting the cause of Lionism. We wish you a fantastic past district governor honoring function.
Thank you.
It's going to be a great evening. Just a galaxy of past district governors, if I may say, in this wonderful evening. We have with the respected past district governor Mahesh Gupta ji. About your year, if you may say some wonderful memories that you would like to share with our viewers.
Lot of memories are there, but I am very happy that I was the first district governor कि जिनके साल में 100% MMR आने लगे. तो उसके पहले मैं जब भी मीटिंग में देखता था तो कोई 50% आ रहा है, कभी 40% आ रहा है. तो आई मेड इट अ पॉइंट कि इस साल मैं 100% करूँगा. और उसके बाद जो है पिछले 12 साल में वो प्रैक्टिस कंटिन्यू है. आई एम वेरी हैप्पी. लॉट ऑफ एक्टिविटीज कैरिड आउट and I enjoyed my year like anything.
Wonderful. Thank you so much. Administration is such important part. Respect. Midas Touch. Your message to Lions, young Lions, about contribution, how important to LCF it is.
LCF has a very big role to play in our district. Whatever money we send, we get almost double the amount from them. And the money what we get, we use in our district, very permanent projects. And there are a line of permanent projects which we have completed. I am proud of it because I am initiator in working with them, and whatever I have received investor goodwill because of that reason. So God bless all our district members.
Thank you so much. Your blessings shall always be with us. We have wonderful memories जो अच्छे कार्य हुए as past governor.
Rishi ji, first of all, thank you for giving this opportunity. I was known as a Millennium Governor in the year 2000-2001. Two big things I remember. One was the establishing and construction of the service center, which we call it Temple of Service in Koperkarne. You are all, everybody is aware. And second, I started a youth action program, which I am very happy to see that it is growing leaps and bounds. Now, maybe 500 youths have gone and we have received them. These are the two biggest achievements. Some of the new experiments which I did, that I had for the first time, I did not have the region chairman. And I understand that experiment worked very well. I can go on talking many things, but I think this is more than sufficient. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. And we have it as the man.
And I always said, the Lion is we have had many friends, because it is an organization where we make friends and work for the community. Therefore, I feel that Lion is a great institution for all of us to be together, and together we serve better. Thank you.
Fantastic. Thank you so much, sir. Increase membership or give a
membership.
Yes, sir.
Regarding membership, I will tell you
Yes.
that when I was district governor, at that time also we were fighting for the membership. But one thing is very pertinent nowadays, that young people are now being attracted to our organization, and if we maintain these young people, attract the people, then I think our target of 1.5 million we can cross it. Very
Fantastic.
well.
Great
I
advice,
think
sir. To
in
catch them
this
young.
direction, our
Wonderful.
district is taking very, very good steps.
Fantastic.
I wish all the best.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
लायंस इंटरनेशनल डिस्ट्रिक्ट 323182 5 डिस्ट्रिक्ट गवर्नर्स का सम्मान समारोह मुंबई के मुलुंड में रखा गया। इसके साथ ही इसमें विशेष तौर पर अतिथि लायन अरुणा ओसवाल पधारी। इसके अलावा फर्स्ट वाइस डिस्ट्रिक्ट गवर्नर लायन मनीष लडागे, डिस्ट्रिक्ट गवर्नर लायन राजेश बल्लवार, सेकेंड वाइस डिस्ट्रिक्ट गवर्नर लायन ट्रेवर मार्टिज आदि उपस्थित रहे। इसके साथ ही रोर विद ऋषि का कार्यक्रम वहां पर रखा गया। इस दौरान मेंबर से इंटरेक्ट किया गया। मनोरंजन के रूप में वहां पर गुरु और शिष्य का रिश्ता कैसा होता है उसकी प्रदर्शनी भी स्टेज पर दिखाई गई। इसके साथ ही नृत्य के कार्यक्रम भी यहाँ पर रखे गए। आइए देखते हैं इस 5 डिस्ट्रिक्ट गवर्नर सम्मान समारोह प्रोग्राम की कुछ शानदार झलक।
एक फोटो ऐसे लेने दो मैडम। अरे अरुणा जी इधर आइए।
The dignitary is on the dais.
ज्यादा है, मेंबरशिप है ज्यादा, तो हाथ बढ़ते हैं हमारे सेवा के लिए भी, कंट्रीब्यूशन के लिए भी, और दूसरे काम करने अपनी एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन के लिए भी। जिंदगी बेहतर तब होती है जब आप खुश होते हैं। जिंदगी बेहतरीन तब होती है जब आप सबकी वजह से वो लोग खुश होते हैं। लेट अस चेंज द वर्ल्ड। मिलेंगे कुछ खास लोग इस रिश्ते के दरमियान, आप जैसे सब लोग, सब आप जैसे मिलेंगे कुछ खास लोग इस रिश्ते के दरमियान। थाम लो उन्हें, वरना कोई लौट के ना आएगा।
The dignitary is on the dais.
चलेगा
नेत्रा में एक फोटो.
Also, he has been the pioneer of first sight activities in our district. He was an able
in 2003. And during his tenure, his motto was, "A kind heart, a better world." One thing about his leadership skills that I adore is that he brings everyone together and empowers everyone. He wears several hats and gives 100% to everything that he does. During his tenure, he took up several social activities and projects, which he still continues to do so. I remember in COVID when the times were tough and it wasn't so easy to move out, he went out and helped others.